In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add clipping mask to an image in Illustrator. So, to add a clipping mask first, I'm going to like to add this image to this eclipse. Hold Shift if you want to make sure this is even, and then I'm going to change this color to black. And now here I have this eclipse. Now I'm just going to drag and drop an image. I have now here image. Gonna hold Shift to resize this image. Now I can send this back. Now I can select both, and then I can go to Object, Clipping Mask, and make or Command +7. And now here, if I try to move the image, let's say I made a mistake, I want to move the image, you can go select the image, and then here you right click, and then here you select isolate or selected clipping mask, and then here now you can still move your image down below. So yeah, I hope now we can resize this circle here and can make a copy if you hold Shift.